In this quick video, I'll show you how to use phone as a mic on PC. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. For using mobile phone mic, we need to install one software in both our mobile device and computer. The name of that software is WO Mic. I will install it in my mobile first. You can go to Play Store or App Store in your iPhone. I am using Android currently, but it doesn't matter. Now install the same software in your computer. For that I will use Google Chrome, or you can use any browser. Search there WO Mic. Once you search here, click on the first website. Now go to the download section. You can see it in the left corner. Scroll down here and we need to install two things in our computer. First is this, which is VC Runtime. It is for Microsoft, and second is WO Mic installer. I will firstly install this one. For that, click on it, then it will start downloading. Now click on WO Mic installer, then it will start downloading it. After that, install the VC Runtime by clicking on the file. Once you click there, it will give you this pop-up where we need to accept the agreement and then click on install. Now it will start installing. In my case, I have already installed it, that's why the setup has been failed. But if you doesn't have it, then it will start installing further process. Then you just need to click on continue and then it will be installed in your computer as well. I will simply close it. Now our next task is to install WO Mic. For that, click on the file you downloaded. Then it will ask you for your permission. Click on yes. Then choose your language. I'll go with English here. Then click on OK. Now click on next. The next thing you will see is this page where we need to check desktop shortcut and Windows 10/1164. We need to check these two things. Again click on next. Now this time we need to click on install. Once you click there, in order to finish your setup, we need to reboot or restart our computer. So for that, click on finish, then it will start restarting your PC and then your software will be installed in your computer. Once your restarting is done, the software will be installed in your PC. Now open the software in your mobile and then open the software in your computer as well. I'll simply open it, then click on connection here. Now click on connect. Here we need to select Wi-Fi and connect to the same Wi-Fi network with your mobile. So your PC and mobile must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now on your mobile, click on the play icon which is available on the top side. Once you click there, it will ask you for your microphone permission. Allow it and then it will wait for connection. And then we just need to change our IP address from our computer. So as you can see at the end, here is 76 and on my mobile it is 35. So we need to match our IP address. So I'll change my 76 to 35 here to match with my mobile IP address. Then click on connect, and as you can see, my mobile has been connected to my computer now and I can use my mobile mic in my computer. So for that, I'll simply go to my Windows 11 settings here and then I'll just need to go to system here, then go to sound, and here you can see my microphone is WO Mic device, which is my mobile currently, and here you can see the frequency as well. My mobile is currently recording my voice in my PC. If you want to use your mobile mic in third-party apps like Discord, so I'll just open my Discord here, then go to voice and video. I'll simply click on it and then select your microphone as microphone WO Mic device and then click on let's check. As you can see, my Discord is also recording my voice, and if you want to disconnect your mobile mic, then just click on stop icon which is available on the top of your mobile. Then it will disconnect your mobile device with your PC. This is the way. Now it's your time to repay me. For that, you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.